We are back. Number 86. Pack 86. Stage 86. Last one for book, what are we in? Book 22. This one should be fairly straightforward. But we are getting there. We are getting there. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for watching this stuff. Even if you just click and play and letting it run. Because these FanHome Partworks kits have taken over my channel. That was not the intention of my original channel, but it is what it is. Once I'm done with these, I'll have more free time. The channel is schizophrenic anyway. Okay, we should have a little get our little card out, number 86. We should have a little cover. There it is. What I'm trying to say, make sure you don't lose this guy. They don't give you an extra little screw cover there. Here's another little piece. Okay. It's going to start out pretty straightforward like before. You got a metal deck plate, one of the edge ones. Alright, so they sent me the wrong parts. This is a L304. It's supposed to be L305, which is why this piece didn't fit on. What else? I think this might be wrong as well. I don't know. I don't know anymore, but it might be right. Either way, this stick panel's wrong. So, and I got this box months ago because I'm behind on building. So I got to try to contact them and wait forever to. Hopefully, it doesn't take too long to get this. And I'll probably be moved, so it'll get shipped to the wrong place. Boom. Piss off! Boom!